What's up guys, I hope you had an awesome week. Today is Dawn Patrol episode 3. This is where we talk about surf related topics. But first, Dawn Patrol. Today wasn't the best day to go surfing, but it was the best day to... Hold on. Hi.
Package 4 Venti.
Yeah, that's me.
Please sign here.
Thanks. Okay, so I've been waiting for this for a while now. Today wasn't the best day to go surfing, but it was the best day out of this week. So how do we know when is the best time to go? That's when we check the forecast. We check the forecast or the surf report to know when is the best time to go. New glasses, I go through a lot of them. I broke this one. I broke this one. I lost this one. Okay, I didn't lose it, got stolen out of my car. This one is my new one. And this one will be the one I'll be wearing most of the time in my vlog. You were wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses in my vlogs, because I have very bad eyesight. You see this is a prescription lens, so then I can see myself better in the screen. When I talk to this here camera, I keep on looking into the screen and then I forget I'm supposed to be looking into the lens. So this makes me have to reshoot a lot of shots because I keep on seeing my eyes looking out, because most of those shots are unusable. I can also use these glasses, but the thing is, it looks bad on camera because it creates this light underneath my eye, and it also makes my eyeballs bigger because it's such a powerful lens. Ha! How do you like them? Okay, back to the vlog. Where I normally check the surf report, I use 3 different websites. This normally works anywhere in the world. The first one, and this is my main one I check, is magicseaweed.com. The best way to find this site is by searching magic seaweed and whatever the name of the spot will be. Okay, so the first thing you'll see on this website is what is the current conditions like. If you scroll down, then you'll see what the prediction is like for the rest of the week. Okay, so on the site they normally give a lot of information. The thing I normally look at are the stars and the wind direction and wind speed. The stars take in consideration the wave height and the wave quality, as well as the wind direction and the wind speed. So if the waves are small, it'll give you 1 or 2 stars. If the waves are good, then they will give you like 5 stars. So normally when I check, I just scroll through the week and check which days are the best days to go surfing. At the top it shows you today's date. The left hand side it gives you the time. Then you will see what time will be the best swell condition. Then I will check what the wind is like. When it's onshore or a light cross shore, then it'll show in green. That's when you want to go surfing. If it's onshore or too strong of a cross shore, then it will show in either orange or red. If you don't know what's the difference between onshore, cross-shore and offshore, I made a video about this, so I'll just link it up here and you can go check that out. When you check the wave quality, it'll give you something in feet and second. You can change that by going to this gear and selecting UK units, US units and European units. If you choose European units, it'll give you the units in meters and kilometers per hour. I never knew this, so I already adjusted to feet. So other information you'll get on this website is when it's sunrise, when it's sunset, when it's first first light, when is last light, prediction of the air temperature and the water temperature. Okay, so the second website I normally go to is a site I use to predict the wind. So I can see the wind prediction in magiccv.com, but the problem is it's not always accurate. So that's why I use a second opinion, windfinder.com and windguru.com. So if I see the exact same prediction on a different site, then I know it's gonna be accurate. So reading the surf report can actually be beneficial even if you don't surf. If you like fishing or just want to go to the beach, this will help you to fully understand what the weather conditions is like beyond what they give you on a normal weather app. Now you'll be able to choose the perfect day to go surfing. Okay, so the forecast said it's gonna be small and there's gonna be a light wind. Kevin says it looks okay to surf. Because the forecast said it's small, I brought my bigger board, so we're gonna see what it's like. Awesome was that sunset. Waves were okay, the waves weren't great and there was no wind, so that was a big, great thing, but that sunset was amazing. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I post new videos every week. Okay, bye.